साइंस, टेक्नोलॉजी, इंजीनियरिंग और मैथमेटिक्स के इब्तदाई कॉन्सेप्ट्स को बनाया आसान। STEM।
It is important to understand the properties of material. Accidents can happen when materials are forced in a way that they should not go. To work safely with a kit, have a good look at each component of your kit. Putting things into groups can help us to organize our thoughts. Try to match the properties of each kit's components. Match the kit components into hard and soft materials. Yes, we have sorted the kit components into groups on basis of their properties.